guys, I'll look at my computer. It is 11/30/2021. I just got my instrument back and it came back calibrated. And I'm gonna turn it on. Gonna reset. So that's what I'm registering here in my office. That's awesome. So till this day, 11/30/2021, I have not been sick with COVID. If I bring it home, the ions are killing the germs that are on me. You know, as much as I protect myself and the shots, you still can get sick. So the system that's in my ducting, the F tube, it's still working. It's been working since December of last year when I first installed it. And I've been sure once in a great while I have a cough in the house, or if it dims low, you know, we'll get some dust in the house and we'll sneeze and cough, and then I realize that we're not ventilating the home well, so I have to increase the ventilation. After about 30 minutes of running, we're back to normal, but I'm still having ions coming through, still ionizing my home atmosphere. So if I come in with COVID on me somewhere on my body or on my face or on my hands or in my clothes, it's getting disinfected in my home the minute I come in. So just to share with you as a community, this system has been actively working for me and keeping me safe at home. Thank you for watching.